If you're wondering how to start a gold IRA and protect your wealth from the uncertainty of the economy, you're in the right place. This guide is going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to get started with a gold IRA and why it's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make, especially for those who want to ensure their wealth stays protected over the long term. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a way for you to get a free gold IRA guide that has already helped thousands of Americans secure their financial future. First, let's start with the basics. A gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account that lets you invest in precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. The idea is to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect yourself from inflation, stock market fluctuations, and other risks tied to traditional investments. But why gold? Simply put, gold has stood the test of time as a store of value, especially during times of economic instability. If you're a retiree or planning for retirement, having your wealth tied to gold can provide peace of mind that other types of assets simply can't offer. So how do you start? It's easier than you might think. The first step is to find a reputable company that offers gold IRA services. There are a lot of companies out there, but you want to make sure you're working with one that has a proven track record of success and excellent customer service. And this is where the importance of research comes in. Don't just go with the first company you find. You can do your own research. Or, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that breaks down the entire process for you. Once you've chosen the right company, the next step is to open your gold IRA account. This process is very similar to opening a traditional IRA or 401k. The company will guide you through filling out the paperwork and setting up your account. If you already have an existing IRA or 401k, you may be able to roll those funds into your gold IRA tax-free. This step is crucial because it allows you to transition your retirement funds into something that has historically held its value over time. After your account is set up, the next step is selecting the type of precious metals you want to invest in. Unlike other investments, with a gold IRA, you don't physically hold the gold yourself. Instead, it's stored in an IRS-approved depository. You'll want to make sure that the depository you choose is secure and properly insured. When choosing which metals to invest in, most people stick with gold, but silver, platinum, and palladium are also available, depending on your preferences. Now, why is a gold IRA so much better than other options like stocks, bonds, or even real estate? Well, unlike stocks or bonds that are subject to the whims of the market, the value of gold typically rises when other investments are struggling. In times of economic crisis or inflation, gold has always been a safe haven for wealth preservation. Real estate, on the other hand, can lose value during market downturns and is harder to liquidate if you need quick access to your funds. If you're sitting on over $100K in an IRA, 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, this strategy can be a game changer for your retirement. Gold IRAs are not only a great way to hedge against inflation, but they also allow you to diversify your portfolio, which is key to maintaining a healthy balance in your retirement funds. Before I wrap up, let's recap. Starting a gold IRA is a straightforward process. Research reputable companies, open your account, roll over your existing IRA or 401k, choose your precious metals, and secure your investment in a safe, insured depository. And remember, gold is a timeless store of value, especially for retirees like you who want a stable investment for the future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and want more details, be sure to click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's specifically tailored for American retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5M plus in savings. This guide is packed with tips and insights that can help you take control of your financial future, and it's completely free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link and get started today.